Nice, Carolina.
Nice.
Huh?
I did that by myself.
You by yourself?
Isa lang mga kachika. Tapos, ayun, kumatok daw sabi ni Mr. On your face. You got more bacon? Chika, alas 11 na pala. Nagre-ready na ako. Kasi meron tayong work today. Alas 2 ako mag-start today. Panghapon. Yung mga bata, pinaliguan ko na din. Nagbubble bath na sila kanina kasi nga hindi na makapag-bubble bath tonight kasi nasa work ako. So, baka pagdating ko mamaya, tulog na sila. Hindi pa ako mag-uniform. Ito lang muna suotin ko. Ipit yung tiyan ko.
Okay, let's go golden now. No. I did that.
Sa damisan, ganun brush your hair sa...
Yeah.
Sa... Lisa, come here. I brush your hair.
Makulimlim na naman mga kachika. Kulimlim na naman yung morning natin.
I'm here. Your daddy's here.
Stop.
Okay, that's it now. Make it. Gustong-gusto niya yung coat ni Alina. Pasuot namin sa kanya kasi kasya na sa kanya mga kachika. Alaw, mag-alaw na pala. Alaw na ba? Nandito lang ako. School lang muna pahinga. Pero naka-ready na yung ano ko. Mag-ayos na ako ng kilay. 12:56 na. So, mga 40 minutes na lang alis na kami. Ang sakit kasi ng mata ko. Kaya nag-toothbrush ako mga
Until we
kachika.
go to Granny's house and Auntie's house at Christmas. Yeah, in Christmas.
Hindi ko alam kung namumula pa. Dito ba na side mga kachika ba?
I never seen
Natalsikan ng toothpaste kasi yung toothpaste ay naubos na siya tapos ginunting ko. Pero meron naman kaming bago-bago. Gusto ko ng gunting kasi alam ko na marami pang ano sa ilalim. Pag ganyan ko, ng toothbrush ko, tumalsik dito sa mata ko. Ay, grabe ang hapdi. Sakit. Di na. Noon. Na 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 na.
Nice, Carolina.
Nice.
myself.
Huh?
I did that by myself.
You by yourself?
Yeah, she did it.
Very nice.
Ready na, nandun na sila sa labas, nag-antay sa akin. Kasi kay Piba nabalik ni Missy, kay meron pa daw 15 minutes, so early pa daw na nag-alis kami.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry.
Where's your coat? Oh, you got coat in the car? W. 1, 2, 3,
What's that?
4. Double. Clouds.
Double clothes. You got 1, 2.
Quadruplets. Not double. 5 double. Suot na ako ng ganito kasi just in case na pag kahit umulan mamaya, meron naman akong dalang payong. So okay lang. Diba? Sabi ni Mr. I'm gonna miss you daw. You're gonna miss me. Kasi hindi pa siya sanay na gabi ako nagtatrabaho. Pangalawa ko pa lang to. 2 months na ako dyan pero pangalawang ko pa lang to duty ako ng panghapon. Hindi yung makakasama ko same din noong first night ko. first time ko magtrabaho sa panghapon. So sila din yung makasama ko today. Nagdala ako ng food na ano, kakainin ko for lunch. Okay, they're here. Oh, lunch, dinner. Nag-lunch ako. Pero na ako magdi-dinner. So nagdala ako ng, yeah. Yung beef kagabi. Niluto ni Mr. It's very windy down here, Danny. When I get off on the bus, it's get very windy. Swedwell, the old house we lived before.
No, it goes up to the roundabout. The button does it.
When the pizza.
You eat food, you know, food stuff.
Food stuff daw. Binigay daw ng kapitbahay namin mga kachika. Ganyan, maganda pa daw. Nice. It's still nice, no? Minnie Mouse.
These have one.
Heavy too.
Have a pig.
Meron pa rin mga kasamang bits-bits niya nugasan ni Mr. Per ito. In-sterilize niya na.
Give it to us.
In-spray na ba niya mga kachika ba? Ganda!
I gotta make some soup.
Oh, let me see daw.
I'm gonna make some soup.
Wow, that's
Give me
nice.
the
Kitchen.
telephone. Telephone.
Punasan ko mga kachika kasi pinaguhugasan na ni Mr. yung mga ganito-ganito. Ang dami, complete pa. Kumatok daw dito namin, may anak yan sila na lalaki, isa lang mga kachika. Tapos, ayun, kumatok daw sabi ni Mr. Tapos nakita daw niya, maganda pa daw. Minati din daw dito sa bahay, may asawa. May anak yan sila, isa lang lalaki. Mga 3 years old pa lang yata yung bata. Ganun.
That's not it.
Tapos lalaki.
I'll find out. He's
Naman
outside.
sila.
I cleaned some stuff
Pero
outside.
marami din siya mga anik-anik pa. Panggamit talaga para sa kusina. Ang ganda. Mahal pa ng ganyan.
Food.
Ganyang style.
Can you give out foods?
Eh?
Pumatok daw dito kung gusto daw. Tapos hinatid daw nila pag-asawa. Di, oh, bigyan me that big. Still wet, be.
Oh.
This one. That one, no. This is now. Oh. Ready ba, Lisa? Put in there. It's ready. Okay, put there, Lina.
I don't know where the lid is. I thought I had a lid for a teapot. But
Maybe
I'm
outside.
making cookies soup. Here's one.
Marami mga, naghuhugasan niya. Yeah. Meron ba din daw siya sinok doon sa labas. What was it? You soak it? Ano rin?
Hello?
Huh?
What was it?
Okay.
I'll bring it in now.
Alicia's cooking banana.
Nice.
Making banana. Lisa's cooking banana.
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 Hindi pa natulog yung dalawa. Late na. Pero ready na yan
Now
sila mga
let's make
katsiga.
some drink.
Naka-ano na yan,
Who
naka-brush.
please this one, Lisa?
Move, please,
Who
move.
please this one?
Oh. Here, Lisa. That one is all dry.
I wanna make some drink.
Hindi, not yet. It's not there. Ready na yan sila to bed. Mag-ano na lang yan sila mga kachika.
This is the one. This one.
Ah.
I think I feel a bit. I found the lid. I found the lid. I saved some.
You found it. Well done.
Oh my goodness, got more there. Magkain tayong pizza mga kachika. Napunta pala sila ng Domino's kanina after nila nadalhin yung mga bata sa Uy, ginoo ko, what is that? After niya dalhin sa park. Good morning mga kachika. Ako sa work. Tingnan ko muna kung meron akong barya. Nga pala, hindi enough pang pang pamasahe. .47 na mga katsika. Nagtambay muna ako doon sa bus stop na mga 15 minutes yung tambay ko doon. Ito na tayo. Punta na tayo. Maliwanag na, marami na din naglalakad, nagja-jogging. Marami na yung tao, pero medyo ano mo din. Hindi kasi maganda yung weather. Ang lamig mga katsika. Sobrang lamig na talaga. Buti na nakasapaw-sapaw ako ng long sleeve kasi pag ito lang yung fleece lang yung susuotin ko. Tapos naka-uniform lang under. Mafe-feel ko sa skin ko yung lamig, pero naka long sleeve din ako, 'di ba? Okay lang magyaya yung mga damit natin, basta importante tayo, hindi tayo malamigan. Yun yung important. Right.
I laid cardboard down, you know.
Yeah, because they wear their shoes.
Yeah, fucking.
Oh.
Yeah, disgusting.
We don't wear our shoes
You told
inside.
me last time, oh, my shoes are clean. Oh, I said, really?
Yes, I just really wanted to buy one. This can't wait.
Hello.
Hello?
This is Charlie. Charlie?
No, that's just, I'm just looking at the Christmas lights.
Charlie. Dito na pala nilagay ni Mr. mga kachika yung binigay niya. Pero nilinis to na muna namin to. It's nice, no?
Yeah.
You see, Alisa has been playing with it. Close the drawer, be. Makalat yung clothes niyo. Nice, no?
Yeah.
You got all the stuff here?
Look,
Let me see.
look what happens.
Ah, that's the telephone.
Like,
Telephone.
It's like that.
And like this. Ang dami mga kachika pinagbibigay na talaga nila. Nalinis na yan. Dago inakyat. Actually kahapon ko nilinis agad to ni Mr. E.
Look, chips.
Chips. Uy.
It's for you.
It's hard. May dabe tayo baby. Okay? Inaantok talaga ako mga kachika ba. Kasi di ba may pasok ako hapon tapos kaya ng umaga kaya kapagod. Medyo pagod yung pagod yung antok lang. Nagigahiga ako doon.
And take the ice. The ice.
That's the ice. Well done.
It's gonna hurt.
It's hurt.
It's gonna not hurting.
Ano, maliligo pa
Mama,
sana
that's
ako.
what I put there.
You're cooking? What are you going to cook? Dapat ililipat ko yan eh. Hindi yan maganda daw yung mirror na kaharap sa pintuan. Pero hindi naman talaga siya nakaharap. Hindi siya nakaharap ba? Ito lang naman banda yung pintuan. Pero ililipat ko yan. It's either ilagay ko yan doon sa bedroom ni Alina kasi mas maraming space doon. I think mas malaki yung bedroom ni Alina. Kasi nandoon pa yung Barbie. Tapos merong mas malaki nga talaga yung bedroom ni Alina compared dito kay Alisa. Kasi kay Alina nandoon yung Barbie niya. Tapos may drawer din siya doon. Ano pa ba yun doon? Meron din parang dressing table. Malaki pa yung space. Dito, ito lang naman yung mga clothes range.
Look.
Tapos ito.
1, 2,
Be careful kay makita yung pakan. 4? Well done. I'm gonna go downstairs ha. Magre-ready ako. Kami lang pala na dito kasi hindi na kami sumama dahil si Mr. nagpunta meron si Alinang may Alina Gobe? Punching. Punta lang muna ako sa baba. May titingnan lang ako dito. Ay, nagugutom din ako eh. Hindi ko yung kalat dito mga kachika. Uy, ang dami pang hugasan dito. I-off ko muna pala tong namin dito. Yung dito nin ay na-adjust yung radiator. Kanina pa yung naka-under pagkadating ko. Ilang oras na. 2 hours, more than 2 hours na. Warm na din dito sa loob kaya kailangan na siyang i-off. Why you climb up there? What are you eating?
Okay.
Bacon, yeah. Makain yan siya ng balat ng salmon. Nagprito na ako ng salmon mga katsika kay 5.25 na. Pero mamaya-maya pa yung darating yung dalawa. Kasi magpo-food shopping pa din yun sila.
Guys need to buy blueberries.
Blueberries and what else?
I don't know.
Salmon?
Yeah. Uncle Nina.
Yun ako, ha?
Uncle Nina.
Why did you miss Alina?
Yeah.
You
Can you
miss
call
her?
Nina?
Okay, we're gonna call her, okay?
Can you give me a phone?
Okay, don't wipe in your clothes. Go get paper towel. Just be careful, okay?
Okay.
Okay, wipe on your face. You got more bacon? Sige na, pag-step.
Now everyone today at school everyone just looking at little movies.
Look, when you're holding it,
Uh-huh.
what they say?
They're like, I want to see. And they was can
In
I
your
have
classmate as
yeah,
well?
and one of my friends like, oh, can I please have one? Can I please? Like begging, very begging.
That's very nice. It's very expensive. Binili namin to. Akala ko tag
Oh,
tag
say,
8 pounds. Yung isa pala yung tag 8 pounds. Tag pa yan?
Oh,
17
sorry.
pounds.
I'll try. I'll try.
Naging dalawa na sa kanya. Kaya si
I'll
Alisa,
try.
binilhan din namin.
Yes.
Ayaw man ni Alisa.
Oh yes, I'll try to give you one. I'll try.
No, you're not giving us.
Oh, Christmas?
I don't know. We don't need more. You have enough.
Only one.
Okay, get into bed na. Say good night, Tita Grandma.
Good night, Tita Grandma.
Okay?
Well, these ones they got barefoot. See?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, having human feet.